What? And I say, I'm awesome like that. There we go. Hello everyone, Satch here, how you guys doing? Alright, time for the finale for Chainsaw Man, and quite the raid. I mean, yeah, we just saw a lot of fiends and demons that were supposed to be on this team, so yeah, quite a cast. Why are we just seeing them now? I mean, nice to see them before and then interact with them. Especially Angel, she seems unique. Like, she doesn't seem violent, but her abilities, yeah, scary. Anyway, Aki's in trouble. How is he gonna get out of that? I mean, I don't think that's how he's gonna die. That's kind of the reason why the future demon joined him, because the way he's gonna die is supposed to be something epic. I don't think it's a bit, but let's see what happens. Alright, finale time. Here we go. Yeah, choking. And out. Yeah. I mean, I wonder what he's... I mean, he liked her. Obviously, he liked her. I remember that whole gum thing he did for her sake. But she had a crush on him. Was he crushing her too? No. He was all about Makima. Just like Denji. Oh, take that cigarette away from him. Take it away. No, I don't see you taking the smoke away from him, though. There you go. Decent human being. Don't encourage the addiction, though. Henry, I should snap him and give him a second wind? Oh. Okay. You just let him go. I think. She's holding onto the cigarettes. Yep. She was holding onto the cigarette. Are you old enough to smoke now? Easy revenge. Okay. Okay. So, just take her out. Easy. A way to say goodbye. We don't know how soon, though. And Ghost Demon. No. Now, Snake Girl, you're next. Oh, yeah. What are you gonna do now? Whoa, shit. Yeah, okay, she's quiet. Meanwhile, Denji and Power are showing an elevator. Oh, ew, why eating the zombie? I know, gross. I thought you liked blood. No. Okay, yeah, I still like your siblings, just squabbling. Anyway, oh shit, more zombies. Okay, these things are everywhere. Yeah, they haven't yet. So be very. She is Power. She's going to scream. Knew it. I just knew it. Yeah, no, I'm just going up. Oh, that one's a big one. Yeah, he's not seen any of this. 13. Is that your lucky number? Yes, it is! Yeah, we tried that. You shot him. Okay, he didn't. They did themselves in with that stupid deal they did. And they killed him. Okay, so they don't know the full story. Okay, so he went through the same purpose. I mean, he went through this... Yeah, same procedure. Yeah, no, fuck you. Have you seen his early life? It was shitty. Let him enjoy what he has now. Exactly. There we go. Round 2. Don't get sliced in two this time. Whoa. It's not like I'm so hard to fall, but sad. Next building. And next building. And train? Okay, he should have fallen off that. Don't answer him. Yeah, okay, that also good. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, he seemed way better than you. And we're back. Alright, their balance is ridiculous if they can fight here. With all this jumping around too. Behind you! Ooh! Shit, there were people there. Oh, shit. Well, at least that one's gone. But damn, there was his left. And now he's 2 versus 3 now. No. And now there goes the other arm. Seriously, that move should be banned. Again, that asshole killed him first and turned himself into a zombie. Is that done? And that one's done too. Why? Whoa! Shit! Okay, that's a new one. But a chainsaw shouldn't do that. A katana, I get, but chainsaw, no. Okay, you're still in one piece after being bisected. Yeah, I guess you both have super healing factors. Yeah, you keep saying that. Yeah, that happened. Yeah, that is a travesty. What are you thinking, Denj? Oh, hey, Ike. So, whatever's gonna happen is not too crazy. Yeah, seriously, what are you planning? Oh, shit! Yeah, I just remembered how him and Ike met. He's kind of surgical with those nutshots. He remembers. Well, you got him. Okay, you have the point. Easy revenge. You gonna do it? Oh shit, we are gonna do it! Who wants those? Yeah. Yeah. It's not safe for work. Okay, so let's move on from that. Next scene. Hopefully it's wholesome. Yeah, if he shows up here, he should be walking funny. Yeah. Oh, they're having the time of their lives. Ooh, that was pretty bad. Yeah, you're not having descendants. Yeah, what's so special about the Chainsaw Devil's heart? Yeah, my question. Oh, well, guess we'll never know. Okay, that's a substantial amount. So now you can hunt down the gun. So the ending was actually canon. Oh, just them hanging out. What's about to come next? I think he's finally going to have that cigarette. A specific one. I guess Denji's dreaming this? Yeah, he is. Oh, I guess this is how he talks to Pochi now. Okay, who was asking that question? Alright, and that's it for the first season of Chainsaw Man. Oh, finale without... I didn't see him actually bisecting the samurai. I keep calling him samurai. He's just like a tiny devil. Like that. Wow. Okay, so generating on street, but like I said, it's a chainsaw. Chainsaws don't do that. Katanas? Yeah. In fiction at least. Or at least at the hand of a master. I've actually seen it happen. But chainsaws actually need... You need to really get in there if you can do that. Oh, I split the guy in two. I didn't even notice. Damn though. But now they can chase after the gun devil because they have enough of his flesh. That's probably going to be what's coming next. But how are they going to... Because that thing's killed millions and millions of people. Hence why it's so notorious and people are so afraid of it. Hey, looking forward to it. I mean, Aki still has to die in a very dramatic fashion to satisfy the future devil. Yeah, that also has to happen. Alright, looking forward to next season. Hopefully it gets announced soon. And with that, right, done with everything in 2022 actually. I need to start thinking about my list. Usually I sit down, I've already started my video by now, but no, I haven't yet. I haven't even decided which of the shows I'm going to put on my top. But I guess that's yeah, I'll be for later. I'll try to do sooner than I did last year. I was actually quite a few months late. I mean, oh my goodness. Anyway, with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and everything else I've done this year. If you please leave a like, it really helps out. In the comments, I would love to hear your thoughts. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do and check out my other stuff. See you guys next year. Bye.